Hi everybody, this is Oleg. Welcome to Oregon Preparedness. I'm in Prineville, Oregon, delivering those massive beams, those I-beams. This is a really strange job site I'm delivering to. This is where my truck is parked like a quarter of a mile away. I just left it there and walked to see which way is a good way to come in and to come out. I always do that because I don't want to get stuck somewhere where I cannot get out. But look at this. This is where I'm gonna pull in here in a few minutes and stay overnight over here. But this is really insane facility that they're building. All this stuff is just all kinds of steel, those like studs, steel studs. And here these are some sort of air conditioning units, and look how many of them are there. But this is not all. Wait until I show you actual building. It's insane. Prineville, just so you know, is a small, very small town outside of Bend, Oregon. Bend is right in the middle of the Oregon. It's a desert, Bend's desert city with about 100,000 people population, and Prineville is like 15 miles away, smaller town with, I don't know, 20-30,000 population. This is outside of Prineville, and this is the area where I'll be parking tonight. It says this right over there, it says truck staging area. Let's see if you can see, if you can zoom in. Yeah, truck station, you see. So I'm gonna pull over here with my truck in just a minute, but I wanted to show you this insane project. Tomorrow when I deliver, I will ask them what this is, because this is really crazy. Give me a minute, I'll show you on the video project itself. Now look at this. This is just insane. Look at this. Number one, it says here private property, no trespassing, all activities monitored by video camera, which is true because I've seen these video cameras here all over the place. But now look at the size of this project. This is just steel construction right there, and it keeps going there. And this whole area is enclosed with this fence. This fence is easily 12 feet tall. And makes me wonder, what the heck could this be in the middle of the desert, you know? In the middle of Oregon desert. This over here, this whole facility from that corner, I'll show you, from this corner to that corner, it's about at least quarter of a mile long. They also have a bunch of piles of gravel here. By the way, the sky is so beautiful. I just love sunsets, you know. Sunrises are cool too, but there's something about sunsets. Look at this, so pretty. And some of you who know me for a while might know where I'm going with this. Now this whole place, as I said, it's about quarter of a mile long on this end here, and on the main road it's probably more like half a mile to a mile long. Once again, take a look at this steel structure starting right there and keeps going over here. And you know, some of you might call me conspiracy theorist, which I am to an extent, but it makes me wonder, could this possibly be some kind of detention center that would, where they would, put away all the disobedient people, all the Christians, patriots, whoever is rocking the boat too much, whoever is just going against the grain. Could this possibly be it? Because this is number one, this is very strange location. It's in the Prineville. Very strange. Middle of the desert. Such a ginormous structure. Look at this. Once again, take a look. It looks like it's 2 stories high. I don't know if it's gonna go up higher than that, but looks like it's gonna be 2 stories. And those I-beams that I'm bringing on the bed of my truck, they sure look like they could be used on this project. I mean, I checked my directions, my instructions where to park, and this is exactly where I need to be, and that staging area that I showed you. In that staging area, and then tomorrow I can't even enter this facility. It says there, do not enter without escort. It just seems a little bit strange to me, if you know what I mean. Anyway, I'm gonna show you this facility from another side of the road, and it stretches. There is already places, buildings that look to be more complete. This is like they're doing the frame of the building. But further down, let me show you. Further down you can see, like over there, for example, look, this building is just a frame that they're doing with the steel beams. That building over there, that's complete building. Looks about same height. So I'm gonna pause this video for a second until I get to the end of the road and show you from there. And while I'm walking, I want to discuss this fence again. This fence, it's about 12 feet tall. It's a permanent fence. It's not a temporary fence. It's really good, sturdy fence. You cannot climb over it. You know, look at this. Very solid. I mean, they already built the fence even before they complete their buildings. And here is another building that's more completed, but they're still working on it. There's cranes. This project is insane. Honestly, I've never seen anything like it before, especially in the middle of the desert. And so back to the fencing. The fence is not a temporary fence. This is permanent fence, about 12 feet tall. Why is it so tall, you know? Doesn't that make you wonder? It makes me wonder. You know, more I look at it, more I think that it is going to be some kind of detention center. For who, I don't know. Maybe Christians, maybe patriots, maybe anyone who is against you know what's going on with the special medicine, you know what I mean? So it is weird. If any of you have any slightest idea what this could be, let me know in the comments. To me it's very interesting. Once again, this is in Prineville, Oregon. As you can see, just middle of nowhere. It's really beautiful area. Look, mountains are over there. Just so beautiful and quiet here. Okay, just so you have an idea the size of the project. Just a few minutes ago I was all the way over there where you see all that stuff wrapped in white plastic. I mean, I don't know exactly how far it is, but I'd say it's minimum quarter of a mile, probably maybe a little more. I'm on a corner and there's those cameras, and look at this. This whole insane place stretches way over there. Look, way down there is my truck. Right there is my truck with those crazy steel beams. But the facility keeps stretching over there, somewhere over there. There's some electrical looking substation. But right where the fence is, that's where the property ends. I'd say it's from here to there, it's probably easily 3/4 of a mile to a mile. Alright, I'm gonna conclude my video. It's already going too long, but I'm just blown away. You know, let me know in the comments what you think. Am I exaggerating, or maybe it's a factory of some sort? I don't know, but this fence really makes me wonder more than anything. You know, we have in Portland, near airport, we have an FBI building, and even FBI building has a shorter fence, not quite as tall as this one. That one's probably, I don't know, it seems like 7 or 8 feet tall. This thing is 12 easily. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. Leave me in the comment section what you think about it, and we'll see you in the next upload. Am I crazy conspiracy theorist, or could there be something interesting but something weird about it? Thanks for watching.